Hi, my name is Williams and I'm going to take you through factorizing difference of two squares. Let's start. So let's say you are given a squared minus b squared to handle. How do you deal with it? Let's employ the concept of area to explore how we can handle a squared minus b squared. Look carefully. Let's say you have this shape with length a. The area of this shape is length times length, which is a times a, which is a squared. Let's say you have another shape with length b. The area of this shape is still length times length, which is b times b, which is b squared. We can see clearly that the first term of our expression a squared minus b squared is the area of the first shape, which is a squared. So the first shape, which is green, can represent the first term of our expression, a squared minus b squared. And then the area of the second shape, which is b squared, can also represent the second term of our expression, a squared minus b squared. In summary, we have been able to represent the two terms involved in our expression using diagrams. That is, a squared for the first term and b squared for the second term. We can see clearly in our expression that we are asked to subtract b squared from a squared. That is to take b squared from a squared. What answer are we going to get if we want to take b squared from a squared? Now let's do that using the diagrams. So we have a squared representing the first term minus b squared representing the second term. What answer are we going to get diagrammatically? Now, by using the diagrams, let's subtract b squared from a squared by cutting b squared out of a squared. Let's do it. So we have our a squared and we are taking b squared out of it. Now let's cut b squared out of a squared and see what will be the answer for a squared minus b squared. So we have taken b squared out of a squared and the answer is the green shape. But we can see that it is no more a four-sided figure. How do we work around it? Because we need our four-sided figure back. Let's cut the excess part and reposition it. The excess part is the part that has been made blue. Let's cut it. So we have been able to cut the excess part, which is the blue part. Let's position it well so that we'll be able to get our four-sided figure back. This is our new shape, which is a four-sided figure. The length now is a plus b, and the width is a minus b. Now let's find the area of this new shape, and that will be the answer for a squared minus b squared. So the area of our new shape, which represents a squared minus b squared, is equal to length times width, which is a plus b times a minus b. This is the answer for expanding a squared minus b squared